On this Crawlspace Encapsulation project, the first thing Tri-State Waterproofing had to do is remove the old vapor barrier and clean out the crawl space. Then, a trench was dug along the inside of the foundation with the correct slope and elevation to allow gravity to take over for proper drainage. Next, Tri-State Waterproofing installed gravel on top of the sock pipe to help filter various sediments so no clogging would occur. The crawlspace vents then had to be sealed off to prepare for the installation of the new vapor barrier. Finally, once the vapor barrier has been fully installed, Tri-State Waterproofing sealed and taped all seams. Another satisfied customer from Tri-State Waterproofing. We appreciate you watching our Crawlspace Encapsulation case study.